Now, as the week draws to a close right here on Wall Street, you want to talk about a return of the bulls. And no, not the Chicago Bulls. We're talking about the market bulls. A red wave on Tuesday night saw not just the return of President Donald Trump to office, but it also saw a return of those stomping and running bulls. As the uncertainty subsided to start the week, the markets took off on Wednesday after it was officially confirmed that Donald Trump would be returning to the White House next year. A future spike of more than 1,300 points carried over into the close that saw the Dow Jones jump a total of 1,508 points. In fact, all three markets, the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ, all rising to all-time highs. And the post-election gains carrying over into the latter part of the week that also saw the U.S. Federal Reserve, as expected, lower rates to 4.75%, but now a new trading week is due. Will the bulls continue their romp on Wall Street, or will some of the post-election hype die down a bit? Will it ease? Let's now take a look at what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. Monday kicks off a bit on the quiet side. It's Veterans Day, but the markets will be open, so the week really kicks off on Tuesday. Tuesday begins in the UK with the British 3-month September ILO unemployment rate. That rate currently sits 4%. And then Wednesday sees a return to the U.S. with October consumer prices on the docket. Consumer prices 0.2% expected month over month. Thursday kicks off in Europe with the third quarter preliminary European GDP scheduled for release. GDP penciled to come in 0.4% quarter over quarter, 0.9% year over year, while here in the U.S. weekly jobless claims await, and so does the October Producer Price Index. Producer prices currently 2.8% year over year. And then on Friday, it's the busiest day of the week data-wise. First in China, October industrial production awaits a read that currently sits at 5.4%. And then there's third quarter preliminary GDP due out of the UK. British preliminary GDP, that currently sits 0.5% quarter over quarter, 0.7% year over year. And then in the U.S., October retail sales on the docket, currently retail sales 0.4% month over month. And now, with the U.S. election a thing of the past, the winner is officially known. Keep an eye on the markets to see if the Trump rally continues. And don't forget about earnings, as they are on tap as well. And until next week, reporting live from the New York Stock Exchange and saluting all the veterans out there, I'm James Swinney, reporting for ICF.